Across the world, companies are struggling with a new challenge. People simply don't want to come back to the office. To adapt, many are hiring remote workers locally, but at significantly higher costs. But here's a smarter alternative. Why not hire top-tier Indian professionals directly from India? Working from offices at lower rates and with higher accountability. Skilled, professional, office-based, and cost-efficient. Everything you need without compromising quality. Worried about commitment or unsure where to start? We've made it easy. Try a 2-week free trial. No long-term contracts required. Start small. Scale fast. Work smart. Get in touch today.